Well, I had congestive heart failure, I have Parkinson's, COPD, GERD, lymphedema, thyroid. I usually have the list in front of me. I even had gingivitis, but don't have that no more. It's went away. When Dr. Tammy saw my medical records and saw the page full of drugs that I was taking for all my conditions, she said she could pretty well take care of everything that I had going on with me. And I've already been studying those stem cells for a long time. So I decided at that point in my life that I was on walking cane, I was falling and hurting myself, and tremors, couldn't talk very good. I had the masked face and drooling, the whole 9 yards. Since then, all that has subsided since my first stem cell treatment. I had 12 specialists I was going to. I had all these specialists, and all they kept doing was pushing more drugs down me. And the drugs cause enough problems as it is. And some of the Parkinson's medicine I was on is horrible. I'll never take it. And that's why I was to a point. Life wasn't worth living if I was going to keep going downhill, because I'm not going to take that stuff that messes with the chemicals in my brain. That's one reason why I decided, to go ahead and, hey, what have I got to lose? I'm going to try the stem cells. And I don't regret it one iota. I now feel like I've got my life back. Well, I was 45 pounds heavier than I am now. My balance was bad. My dementia was getting worse and worse. I couldn't remember from one second to the next. The Parkinson's symptoms had picked up on me and was really starting to accelerate. But it has relieved all that. I have no pain like that, because that's muscle contractions. The excessive salavas went away. My hearing's actually improved. I got my smell and taste back, which I haven't had for 15 years. And when it comes back, it's like being born again. It's like for the first time I'm able to smell something again and see whatever, and it's been remarkable in that instance. The main symptoms of tremors are pretty well subsided. It's like, I feel like what it was 20 years ago, when they were treating me for a nerve disorder. And it was only just a shaking in this one hand, on my left hand. And that's kind of where I feel like I'm back at. And so many of the symptoms, I'm on Parkinson's website, so patients like me, the Parkinson's team, and I've got to where I just started telling people about it, because stem cells has been a miracle to me. To me, she's been very compassionate, very, very caring, always treats me great, She gives me encouragement. I really think that she has a lot. She understands a lot of stuff that I'd been studying about take natural stuff instead of pharmaceutical, because I don't care. I'm not cutting pharmaceutical completely, but most everything you take might cure what you got, but it causes something else. And so I've tried to do nothing but natural stuff. But she's been a miracle for me. She gave me my life back, and that's what I told her. I said, I went from 12 specialists down to one doctor now, and you're it. I don't care to go to anybody else.